We have to bring about the memory.
And together we put and say,
Welcome.
come on, Safuno. Oh, hey, oh.
Keep going. One more.
Yes, salam. This boy is only for the hot head parrot.
So let the party started and let's start to move. Wow. They can dance like Michael Jackson.
Like who?
MJ. With the moonwalk.
Flashlight.
Okay, hold on. Kids, guys, what can you say about their dancing? Are they dance good? Good.
You will decide, okay? Let's go. Watch. Like it or not? Show me how to do it.
You know what, bro? You better stop dancing because they are laughing at you.
Who?
The birds.
No, they are my friends.
How come? Ask them.
Coco, you like my dancing? It's good, yes? Is it good? No. How about you, Jackie? Is it good? No?
No.
Okay, let's go dancing. Let's go dancing now. Alright, let's clap around everybody. Let's send them home. The African and the great African party. Thank you for joining us. Bye bye. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're so beautiful. Alright, everybody have a look at me. I will show you how to feed the birds. I'm going to keep the food in my hand. The birds will take the time, take it low. They're going to fly down with your hand just like this. Yes, He's going to eat up. You're going to close your hand, but do not look in the eyes. He's going to fly, but do not like. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I need two friends to come up all the way. Come. Okay, I want you to stand here. Right hand like this. Okay? Hands outside. Alright, ready to go? 1, 2, let's go, boy. Good job. Fantastic. Close your hand. Yes. Fantastic. Good job. Thank you so much, brother. Come.
Basketball. Because he wants to play with the NBA superstars.
Who?
Like, you know, LeBron James. And AD.
Who's AD?
A friend of mine.
Alright. I thought Adrian D'Souza. Alright, that is Sophia. Let's clap your hands and say bye-bye. John Mitchell's talent of painting.
Okay, so let me tell you about the facts of the birds. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world that you can find throughout the Amazon rainforest. But if we are talking about the cockatoos, there are 16 living species divided in 4 colors. Some of these are black, gray, white, and pink. Cockatoos are famous in Indonesia, not only in Indonesia. You know what? In Australia and Papua New Guinea. They live in big groups, and the groups of birds is called the flocks. Today, he is using 4 different colors with 4 brushes and swinging from side to side, and thus he creates a beautiful masterpiece. Bro,
Yes.
do you have an idea what it looks like?
If you ask me, I think he's trying to make a butterfly.
Oh wow, I love it. Why don't you ask them?
Honey, what is this?
Ask the kids, bro.
Okay, can anybody tell me what do you see in the painting? What is it? Anything? Come on, take a guess. A bird. Mansoor says a bird. Anybody else? What is it? Come on, take a guess. Anything. Baba. Mansoor. Okay, it can be Mansoor. Yes. Anybody else?
We will have a surprise for you.
Huh? Okay, okay, let's see for it.
What it says, bro?
It's gonna be a mouth.
Wow.
Bro, what do you see?
Me?
Yes.
I see nothing.
Dolphin. It can't be a dolphin. Bro,
Yeah.
how? What's that?
Bro, what is the last color to brightening up the masterpiece?
Color yellow.
Ah, yellow. That's my favorite color.
What is this?
So tell me, your idea, bro.
I said butterfly.
And I take a look.
Yes, look.
Upside down. How come?
What?
It's a fruit.
What?
Fruit. Yes. This is my favorite fruit.
Which fruit looks like this?
Fruit salad.
Hey, is it a fruit salad? No, it's not.
You know what, bro? It's birds alara, bro.
Is it the... No, wait. Butterfly? No. A bamboo tree?
Birds alara, bro.
Eh? She got it right. Okay, now what's gonna happen? We're gonna frame it and give it to one of you. If you like take it out, you will take the hands out for 40 dirhams. We're gonna give it to you. Hey, you found it.
Yes, because you helped me. Mama, let's do it one more time.
Daddy, come. Okay, this little girl is Daddy. Okay, she's giving that. Boy, come. Okay, there you go. He's gonna mix it out. Nick, what are you watching, bro? Come this side. Okay, the ball's in the middle. What's your name? Muhammad. I want you to mix the cup like this, okay? Ready, go. Muhammad, shuffle up.
Wow, look at Muhammad. He can be a part of us someday, huh?
Wow.
Oh, I love it.
Go back to your seat, Muhammad. The ball can find the ball now. Muhammad is mixing it up. I don't know. Come in. Hello.
Let's talk about the real magic. What's this? Abracadabra.
Middle.
Where is the ball? He found it!
Hey, these balls are so clever. Now, there was some children. You give me a number. Huh? Down, between 1 and 5. 4, 3. Who said 3? Okay, I'll take your sister number because she's stopping for 3. Bro,
Yeah.
can you tell all of us 7 plus 3 is equal to what?
Come on, bro. Very easy.
What
This
is-
is my favorite subject.
What is it?
7 plus
3.
73. Yes.
You know,
How about you, bro?
You are wrong. It's number 11.
11.
Who is right? Me or the DJ?
Of course, me. Yeah, I heard that.
Huh? Mansur said 13.
10.
Okay, let's use right all the way. I don't know what the answer. Blue, let's go! Number 1.
Number 1.
What's the next number? I don't know. I said numbers.
Give me 0. Oh la la.
Everybody clap your hands. Mashallah, he's got number 10. You know, they are really amazing. They love.
The Raja, how are you? Yes, salam. Yalla guys, habibi. Hello.
Keep it going, move it. Come on, let's go. Pedal.
There are 16 living species of the macaws, and these are the third largest parrots in the world. He is found in South America.
Let's clap your hands, everybody. Okay, time was a big magic all the way. Oh, good girls, bro. They are playing really amazing. Okay, there you go. Okay, now I'm going to take the card from the kid. You're going to put it somewhere inside. Take the card somewhere inside. I want you to mix the cards nicely, okay? Take it up. Mix it. Nice. Good job. There you go. There you go. Mix the cards. Mix it up. Yes, salam. Okay, give me. Thank you so much. Shukran, sit down. Double the beat. Alright, watch everybody. Abracadabra, some cards on the table. They say the ball is gonna pick up the cards without looking at the picture. Alright, Superman, go!
So how many cards we are looking for?
2.
Evening. Okay, so what is the first card? Come on, Mr. Stas. Concentrate and focus. Try to find the 2 cards. What are those 2 animals? So what is that?
It's right and clap your hands. It's a macaw.
A macaw.
Oh, they are right, bro.
And what is the second card?
I saw.
What is that?
Blue fish.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Me, I know.
What is that?
Door please.
Huh? Go.
Yes. And what is this, bro?
I don't know. I cannot see.
What is that? It's a bird. Wow. Remember, the fastest one is called the peregrine falcons that can reach up to the speed of 400 kilometers per hour. And he is found in Europe, but of course even here in the Middle East, there's a lot of beautiful falcons flying in the sky.
We need one of the lady. Oh,
Bro,
lady to come.
one lady and one daddy.
Yeah. Baba?
Yes.
Okay, Mama will hold it, Mama will. Yeah. Okay. Come, first the lady will do it.
Let's do it.
Come. There you go. Baba will come stand with me. Then the lady do it first, then we can do it together also. Alright, ready to go. Hold it up. All set. Ready to go. 1, 2, rumble. girl all the way to your house. Who is scared, the bird or the girl? Both. Alright, thank you. We appreciate it, brother. Dial all the way.
Can reach up to the speed of 180 kilometers per hour to catch their prey. And it is found in the land of Ismail, which is Thailand.
And they're really fantastic. Trainer Saki will show us how to take a picture. You're gonna wear the gloves, you're gonna raise your hand up, and he's gonna take a picture like this. He's a very good boy. These birds can live up to 65 to 70 years of age. Remember down there, old. He loves to play all the time. The catch of the prey is really amazing. Now, how to take a picture with the picture? You will get a gift. DJ, it's gonna be a soft baby eagle as a return gift with a picture. Picture will look like this. Picture of the eagle, one of you gonna lift it up and we're gonna take a surah. If you don't want to take picture of the eagle, you can also take picture with the parrots. Macaws like this. Now picture with the macaw 50 dirham with the eagle 100 the gift out there. Giant and Saki is gonna wait outside for the picture moment. We say thank you. Let's call the Santonians.
A sapphire is Yamas.
You get some food on your hand. All that you do is raise your hand up. These birds are going to fly down just like this. You're going to eat all the food, you're going to feed them. They are really amazing and clever. Put them all the way. Okay, the ones who want to feed the bird, we got to feed the Merlin. She is giving you a food bottle only for 25 dirhams. Buy the food, share your family, it's okay. Picture with the macaw, 50 dirham, eagle 100, come to me. Main, Satyendra. Bye bye.
Sabut.